New coronavirus cases and hospitalizations are finally on the decline across the country, but there is more work to do and more vaccines to administer, and that includes children. And as Reed Binion tells us, 28 million of them may very soon be eligible for the vaccine.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration poised to grant emergency use authorization on Friday for Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine for children ages 5 to 11. If the FDA grants authorization, Pfizer can start shipping a child version of the vaccine to sites across the nation. But the CDC has to greenlight the child version before kids can start getting shots. The agency's advisory panel is scheduled to meet Tuesday to address that. Dr. Anthony Fauci stressing the importance of the vaccine for kids.
I do feel it's important to vaccinate children. All you need to do is go to the pediatric hospitals around the country. More kids are getting infected. And as more kids get infected, some of them, maybe a small proportion, are going to have a serious outcome.
And while recent polling shows many parents are hesitant to get their kids the shot, New York's governor says there's a chance the vaccine could become mandatory in public schools in her state if infection rates increase.
That is a possibility. It's on the table.
Also in New York, major pushback in the Big Apple over the vaccine mandate for city employees, set to take effect Friday evening.
Here are concerns.
New York firefighters protesting the city's plan to put employees on unpaid leave if they don't show proof of at least one dose. Officials bracing for possible mass staffing shortages. As a result of unvaccinated staff, up to 1/5 of the city's fire companies could be closed, according to a source familiar with the situation. And 1/5 of the department's ambulances may go out of service. I'm Reed Binion reporting.
Well, there could be another pill that will help people with COVID. A new study found a cheap antidepressant reduced the need for hospitalization among people considered high risk. The pill, called fluvoxamine, is normally used for depression and OCD. Researchers tested it because it's known to reduce inflammation, and so far, they say their findings have been promising.